How to Draw. I'm Brooke, and this is
Carter.
Is that your spooky Carter? I like it. All right, what are we going to draw today?
A pumpkin. I mean a jack-o'-lantern.
A jack-o'-lantern. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's do it.
All right, we're going to get started right here in the middle of our page. We're going to start by making a short diagonal. We'll come back up to the top and we're going to make a diagonal the other way. Good. Now let's just connect those two lines on the bottom. And look what we made, a triangle. Now let's come up here by the top of that triangle and we're going to draw a diagonal going up. Starting at the top, let's draw another diagonal coming down. Let's connect those two lines. And we've got another triangle. Bring it over to the other side, right outside of the bottom triangle and even with the top triangle. We'll try to line it up. Oh, hey, you're jumping ahead of me. We're going to start with our diagonal up. That's okay. That's okay. Start right here and draw a diagonal up. There you go. Let's bring it back down. And I'm going to connect my two because you already did that line. But see, it worked out. It looks good. All right, right here inside this triangle, we're just going to draw a small circle that's attached to this line. This one over here, right there. There you go. Same thing on the other one. Let's come over here and we're going to draw a little circle on the inside of this triangle as well. Nice. All right, now starting up here, and we're going to just draw a little mountain up and over to our other triangle. But don't let it touch. It shouldn't touch either of the triangles. It just gets close. Yep, right there. There you go. That's a great mountain. Now let's start up here on the side of this mountain. And we're just going to draw a curve going up and out and around. And we're going to finish it right down here. Good. Same thing on the other side. Let's start right here. We're going to go up and around and stop. That'll work. Now right underneath his nose, we're going to leave a little space and then we're just going to draw a little line that goes straight sideways and then it curves up. Now we're going to leave a space with our finger. And on the other side of our finger is where we'll start our other side of our mouth. We're going to bring it out and up. Very good. Now right where our finger was, we're going to come in and we're just going to draw a little line coming down. On the other side, same thing, small line coming down. And let's go ahead and connect those lines. Nice. Now come way over here. We're going to start up here on this point and we're going to bring it down and around and we're going to just connect it to the other side. Now he's got a smile. That's looking cute. Now let's start over here by the outside of his smile, but down below. And we're just going to bring our line down and bring it straight across and then we'll curve it back up. Start there and curve over. Good. Take it straight across. And up. There you go. Now starting right here on this line, we're just going to curve it over and connect it to this line. Good. Same thing on the other side. Start touching the line and just bring it over and connect. Hey, we got a pumpkin. But he needs a stem. So let's come up here, and right to the side of center, we're just going to draw a curved line coming up. There you go. Now, with a little space in between, we don't want them too close together, we're going to draw another curved line coming up. And now let's just connect those. There you go. Now starting just right here where these two lines meet up, right there, we're going to draw a big arch up and over. Now starting at the end of that line, we're just going to curve it down and back in to touch the pumpkin. Good. Now starting at that point, not quite touching it, I'm going to draw a line down back to my pumpkin. Then I'm going to come up and just add a little V right here towards the top. And then I'm going to add another V right here. And there we go. We've got an awesome jack-o'-lantern. Well, I think we're ready to start coloring. But before we do, this little circle inside the eyes, we want to make sure we leave that white. So when we're coloring the eyes black, let's leave that circle white. All right, we're going to speed this part up.
Project?
Yeah.
3,
2,
1. Let me see. Oh, looks so good. That looks so cute. Yours is adorable. Aw, thanks, bud.
Wow.
All right. Thanks for joining us. We're having so much fun with all the holiday drawings. We'll see you again next time for another How to Draw. Bye.
Bye.